Hey guys, it's Brooke with T-Rex Reptiles, and I know we haven't made a video in a while, and I'm very sorry about that. We have just been so busy. I know y'all saw that we moved a while back, and we're just now getting our farm going, so we've been so busy with that, but I figured that I would let y'all know what's been going on. So I just cleaned the rats. We got chickens too. We got goats. My mom has ducks and little chicks at her house. We also got a new dog to give Ranger a friend. I don't know if y'all saw that last time. We added another rat rack in our rat room. I just cleaned rats, so I am exhausted, so I apologize. We also have a pony that we might be going up to see a little bit later. I'm gonna go feed them and I can show y'all our new pony. So yeah, I thought I'd let y'all know what was going on. So we just let the chickens out for the very first time. We had to keep them in their coop for a while so they would get used to being here. So we just let them out for the first time today. Sorry, my dad was mowing the yard, so I had to come inside to finish this. So I will get all the rats and feed our snakes, and then I will show y'all around the farm. Figured I'd show you the chickens while they're right here. These are the big chickens. I'll get a video of the small ones in a bit. But yeah, there's their small coop for right now, and the goat pen's behind it. The goats are over there. I'll take y'all to see them in a second. Well, you can kind of see them there. One's in the feed trough. And then, so that is their temporary coop. We are building another one in here inside the shop. We're in the middle of building it right now, so, but that's going to be their bigger coop. And then inside of the coop, there's going to be lay boxes all in there. And that tin is actually a lid that we can just lift up to get the eggs. This whole thing lifts up, so if we ever need to get in it, we can get in it. So that's an ongoing project for a while. I'm not going to go all the way over there, but we also built that. That's another thing we've been busy with doing. And that was fun to put together. It's like an adult puzzle. And part of it is still in here. So it's still not technically finished yet. So, hello Drax. You made a mess, didn't you? Yeah. You made a huge mess. Did you poop? Yep. I know. You're looking at it, I know. Yep, now I gotta clean it up. Hello, Drax. Yes, you left a mess for Mommy to clean up. And you got your tail all in it. Look at this. What did you do? Really? Now we have to give you a bath. Do you want a bath? Drax doesn't like baths. But he keeps finger painting in his poop, so he has to get baths. Alright, well, I'm gonna go give Drax a bath. Drax does not like baths. He's super mad at me right now because I gave him a bath. He says, "How dare you clean the poop off of me?" Are you mad at me, Drax? I know, you won't even look at me, huh? Is it really that bad? Is it bad enough that you don't want a mealworm? Or a superworm, I mean? He's looking at me opening the thing. Would you like a worm as a peace offering? Would you like a worm? He says, "I guess it's not that bad." Okay, Drax. Alright, we're gonna give all the rats some paper towel rolls for enrichment, so bear with me for a bit. Oh, look at that. That's the last one. Got a perfect amount. Okay. I said I would show y'all the goats a little bit better, so. These are actually my parents' goats. And the Peter pups. Oh, the other one's under the tree back there. You can barely see him back there. There he goes. So the pups' names are Ginobili and Denali. And I don't remember all the goats' names, but they're eating from the trees. So these are the little chicks and ducks. They're at my parents' house in their garage. All of the chicks are silky chickens, and then the yellow and brown ducks are Muscovies, and then the two black ones, I can't think of the name of them right now, but they grow up to be like this iridescent color. That little guy has a little floof on the back of his head. And he always like tilts his head and looks at me with squint eyes. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to see more.